Jolweny KDF mohewo 50,000 koro biro yudo konyruok kowuok e chenro mar sirikal mar bedo gi udi e nengo ma oyweyo kokalo e hola mar nyiewo ot manigi nyenyo mar atamalo 4 kolose keto ayanga chenro no. Jagoro maduong' e sekta mar ute dak kod dongruok bombe Charles Hinga wacho ni okang' ma kamano geto bero kuonde dak mag jolweny kendo miyo gi thuolo mar yudo ute e nengo moyweyo.
If there is a great injustice that has happened, which we are righting, is taking for granted men and women who wake up every day, who sleep after we have all gone to bed to ensure that this country stays safe. And as Wanjeri has said, we take peace for granted. And for a long time, our men and women in uniform serve this country without thinking about what is in it for themselves.
We are now graduating from institutional housing because our men in uniform will stay in those houses when they are serving. But now we have gotten to the next level of getting them houses when they leave during their service and when they leave their service. And that is why this is a significant development.
A decent home gives families stability. It provides the peace of mind to the service member, to the officer, and allows them to focus fully on the mission. Simply put, our people know their families are secure. Once they know that, they serve with greater confidence and commitment.